Hi there! Welcome to a new video about Ayurveda Explained, 5 Ancient Health Secrets that Actually Work. Welcome to EarthLuxe, your space for ancient wisdom, modern science, and natural ways to reconnect with your body and feel truly well. Have you ever had a health issue that just keeps coming back? Fatigue, bloating, anxiety, skin breakouts? No matter what you try? The gym, the green smoothies, the supplements. You're doing all the right things, but something still feels off. What if the answer isn't more effort, but more alignment? Today, we're diving into the world of Ayurveda, a 5,000-year-old healing science that understands your body in ways no algorithm or quick fix ever could. And here's the wild part. The answers it offers? They're natural, personalized, and deeply intuitive, yet most of us have never been taught to listen this way. We're about to unlock some of Ayurveda's best-kept secrets, the ones modern medicine is only just beginning to understand. So grab your tea, get comfy, and let's dive in. Let me tell you a quick story. A few years ago, there was a woman doing everything right. Clean diet, regular workouts, daily supplements, every wellness trend, tracked and measured to a T. But inside, she was running on empty. Constant fatigue, digestive issues that made no sense, and this nagging feeling of disconnection, like her body and mind were living on separate timelines. Nothing seemed to help until a trip to southern India changed everything. Tucked away in a quiet village was a small Ayurvedic clinic. No machines, no apps, just warm oils, herbal teas, and a practitioner who took her pulse and, instead of asking about symptoms, asked about the rhythm of their life, who they were, how they lived, and what made them feel whole. That session didn't offer a prescription. It offered a perspective, one rooted in Ayurveda's ancient understanding of balance, energy, and individuality. And the wisdom shared in that small, peaceful room? It's the same wisdom we're unlocking for you today. What is Ayurveda? So, what is Ayurveda, really? It's not just turmeric lattes and tongue scraping. It's not a trendy detox or a new age buzzword. Ayurveda is ancient, over 5,000 years old. Born in the heart of India, whispered from teacher to student, generation to generation. Its name means the science of life, and that's exactly what it is, a complete blueprint for how to live in sync with you. Because according to Ayurveda, you aren't just a body, you're a unique combination of energies, a fingerprint of nature made from the elements themselves: air, fire, water, earth, and space. These energies form your dosha, your personal mind-body type. And here's where the story gets interesting. There's Vata, the wind. Creative, quick-thinking, full of ideas and movement. But when out of balance, anxious, restless, dry like a leaf in the wind. There's Pitta, the fire. Focused, sharp, ambitious, a natural leader. But too much fire, and you burn, with anger, inflammation, even burnout. And there's Kapha, the earth. Steady, nurturing, grounded, the one who holds space for others. But out of sync, you feel heavy, sluggish, stuck in the mud. Now here's the secret nobody talks about. Most of us, we're living way out of balance, overstimulated, underslept, always chasing, never arriving. And modern life, with its screens, stress, and schedules, is pulling us further from our nature. But Ayurveda, it gently leads you back to rhythm, back to intuition, back to you. It's not a one-size-fits-all answer, it's a mirror. It teaches you how to eat, move, rest, and live according to your dosha, how to recognize the early signs of imbalance, and course correct with nature's help. Because health isn't just the absence of disease. It's waking up with energy, feeling clear, at ease in your body, in love with your life. That is Ayurveda. And the journey back to balance? It starts with just one question. Who are you, really? The 5 key Ayurveda secrets they don't teach in the West. Let's break down 5 powerful secrets from Ayurveda that are shockingly simple and seriously life-changing. But be warned, these aren't hacks. They're ancient truths, and once you know them, you'll never look at your health the same way again. Secret 1. Digestion is everything. In the West, we say, you are what you eat. But in Ayurveda, it's deeper. You are what you digest. You can eat the cleanest salad, the most expensive superfoods. But if your digestive fire, your Agni, is weak, it all turns into ama, toxins that cloud your body and mind. Ayurveda starts here, not with fancy cleanses, but with warm, real food. Spices like ginger, cumin, fennel, they don't just add flavor, they ignite your inner fire. No ice water, no cold smoothies, just warmth, rhythm, and intention. Because when digestion flows, everything else aligns. Secret 2. Your daily routine is more powerful than your diet. It's called dinacharya, the sacred art of syncing your day with nature's clock. And honestly, this changed everything for me. Wake with the sun. Eat your largest meal when the sun is highest. Wind down before 10 p.m., when your body's ready to repair, not scroll. It sounds simple, but this rhythm stabilizes your hormones, your energy, your mind. Forget the supplements. Start with the sunrise. Secret 3. Stop ignoring your tongue. It's not just for tasting. Your tongue is a map of your organs, a mirror of what's happening inside. That white coating you see in the morning. It's your body trying to push out undigested food, toxins, and stress. Ayurveda says, don't swallow it back in. Scrape your tongue before breakfast. Every day. It's one of the simplest ways to support your gut, your immunity, even your breath. Secret 4. Oils greater than lotions. Lotions sit on top of your skin. But oils? Oils nourish. In Ayurveda, there's a daily ritual called abhyanga, self-massage with warm oil. And it's not just skincare. It's soul care. It grounds anxiety, boosts circulation, strengthens the nervous system. Done consistently, it can improve your sleep, your digestion, your glow. This is ancient self-love, and your body remembers it. Secret 5. Emotional health equals physical health. This one might surprise you, but Ayurveda doesn't separate the mind and body, because they never were separate to begin with. Anger heats the liver. Fear dries the colon. Grief weakens the lungs. Your thoughts and feelings? They live in your tissues. Ignore them, and your body will eventually scream what your mouth didn't say. Healing isn't just about what you eat, it's also about what you feel. So those are the 5. Simple, yes, but don't let that fool you. They are powerful enough to realign your entire life. Ayurveda isn't just about herbs or diets. It's about remembering who you are, beneath the noise, beyond the symptoms. And when you live from that place, everything changes. Modern science is catching up. Modern science, with all its labs, microscopes, and peer-reviewed journals, is finally catching up to what Ayurveda has been saying for thousands of years. Take ashwagandha, for example. Today, researchers talk about how it lowers cortisol, the stress hormone that quietly wreaks havoc on our sleep, mood, and metabolism. But Ayurveda? It's been using ashwagandha as a rasayana, a rejuvenator, for centuries. Not just to calm the nerves, but to build resilience, strength, and deep inner peace, or gut health. We now know there's a brain in your belly. Literally. The gut-brain axis is a major topic in modern neuroscience. They've discovered that your microbiome influences everything from anxiety to immunity. But Ayurveda already told us, all disease begins in the gut. Balance digestion, and you balance the whole person. Body, mind, and spirit. And then there's circadian biology. The buzzy new field showing how our internal clocks affect everything. Hormones, metabolism, even how our cells repair at night. Science is just starting to realize that your body isn't a machine. It's a rhythm. And when you live out of sync with that rhythm, you pay the price in energy, mood, and long-term health. Ayurveda? It's been syncing human life with the sun, moon, and seasons for millennia. It's not guessing, it's remembering. So while science is finally connecting the dots, Ayurveda drew the map a long, long time ago. Quick tips to try today. Want to try it yourself? Here are 3 things you can do today to bring Ayurvedic balance into your life. Drink warm lemon water first thing in the morning. Eat meals at regular times. No snacking. Rub sesame oil on your feet before bed for deeper sleep. Start small. Your body will thank you. Fast. That's a wrap for today, but your Ayurvedic journey is just getting started. This isn't a trend. It's timeless truth, a personalized path to health, energy, and self-awareness. Now it's your turn. What's your dosha? What tip are you dying to try first? Drop it below. I read every comment. And hey, if this sparked something in you, hit that like button. Share it with someone who's ready to feel better. And don't forget to subscribe to EarthLuxe. We've got a lot more where this came from. Herbs, habits, healing, all rooted in ancient wisdom, made modern for your everyday life. Until next time, stay vibrant, stay wise, and let nature lead the way.